Kids Learning TV.
Success. Success means safalta. Failure. Failure means asafalta. Opportunity. Opportunity means avsar. Responsibility. Responsibility means zimmedari. Knowledge. Knowledge means gyan. Wisdom. Wisdom means buddhimata. Courage. Courage means sahas. Discipline. Discipline means anushasan. Patience. Patience means dhairya. Honesty. Honesty means imandari. Loyalty. Loyalty means wafadari. Kindness. Kindness means dayaluta. Generosity. Generosity means udarita. Creativity. Creativity means rachnatmakta. Curiosity. Curiosity means jigyasa. Independence. Independence means swatantrata. Dedication. Dedication means samarpan. Excellence. Excellence means uttamta. Confidence. Confidence means atmavishwas. Inspiration. Inspiration means prerna.